We're going to open up a pack of 2024 Baseball Heritage. Let's see if we can find a variation, numbered card, signature. See if we can find something here. All right, Daysbel Hernandez, Schwarber, Mullins, Soriano, Adames, Fletcher, Perez, Bradish, Marte, Snell. Oh, there we go. And it says game used memorabilia from Quinn Priester. I like that. Got a Miami Marlin, Luis Severino, stolen base leaders. Got a Joey Meneses, Mike Moustakas, Ryan Ryder, and Austin Riley. I didn't see anything, but we'll scan through real quick and look to see if there's anything. And yep, no variations. Appreciate you guys watching.